8-in-1 Men's Gifts for Men Beard Care Growth Grooming Kit Unscented Beard Oil Plus Free Shaving Cream and Beard Comb Plus Beard Balm Plus Beard Brush Plus Beard Scissors Plus Storage Bag Plus Gift Box by scis-sors. Unique Gifts for Men. This unique gift set comes packed in a luxury premium gift box. Can easily make up a great birthday gifts for men, anniversary gifts for men, dad birthday gifts for dad, gag Christmas gift for boyfriend him, and best friend that could use some beard care products to tame up his beard and mustache. Beard care oil. Using bearded oil separates the amateur beardsman from the masterful one. Not only does it soften your manly mane, but it also keeps your beard and skin hydrated to prevent discomfort resulting from dry skin and coarse hairs. Beard Care Balm. Similar to bearded oil, bearded balm conditions your facial hair for a softer, more lustrous mug rug. The difference lies in the balm's beeswax component, which results in a fuller, shapeable beard. Beard Comb and Scissor. The natural wood beard comb and the extra sharp stainless steel barber scissors help style, groom, trim and shape beard and mustache much easier. Wood Palm Bearded Brush. You may not be able to tame the man, but you can tame the beard with the help of this bearded brush. Made with 100% boar bristles, this soft yet firm brush exfoliates skin and distributes natural oils throughout your beard for more volume and shine. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.